Hello, my name is Larry O'Hearn and I reside at Vermont, Illinois with my wife Kelly. We live on a grain and livestock farm and the cattle business is our core business. We chose a monoslope barn for airflow and sunlight for the cattle. We looked at gabled buildings, we looked at a number of different buildings, gabled and hoop buildings, and we felt like the monoslope gave us the most amount of airflow as well as sunlight into the building in the winter months. We chose Summit Livestock to build our monoslope largely because of their experience within the industry and their integrity in building. This building is unique in the fact that it's a combination dry stack and pitted barn, and Summit as well as Maurer and Stutz played a vital role in designing the building over the top of our footprint, where we built a building that has a lot of diversity and flexibility in it, where we can start calves from 200 pounds to 900 pounds in the same building. Summit Engineering and Summit Buildings provided the engineering to design this cap over our footprint, and that was a vital part of the whole process. As far as permitting this building, Maurer and Stutz and Summit and myself worked collectively to permit the building. In today's ag environment, permitting is complex, and without a team approach, permitting would be it's not for the faint of heart. Summit played a vital role in siting this building so it was set correctly to the world so we could maximize the sunlight and airflow to the building. Early on in the process, they helped me pick the site and where on this site the building would best be suited. That goes beyond the construction of the building itself, but it's vital for the overall performance of the building is to maximize airflow and sunlight into the building. Construction of this building, this was a big project for us, and we chose their construction manager to manage this project and to manage the subs. I'd highly recommend that. I've managed subcontractors and done projects before, but the timing to get this building online is very time sensitive, and their project manager came in and kept this project on schedule through the entire project, and we wouldn't be sitting here today with cattle in the barn if we didn't have that component. I feel like he was a real value. As far as the efficiency and production of this building, while this is our first pitted barn, this barn is equipped with slats with rubber on the slats, and the performance that we've seen in these cattle the last month is phenomenal. They don't go through the phase of learning how to walk on concrete slats. With the rubber, we're getting better feed efficiency, better rate of gain, and the cattle comfort. The comfort of the cattle is noticeable. It's a noticeable difference in what we see in cattle comfort with the rubber on the slats. It's a game changer in feeding cattle on pits. If I was to build this building tomorrow, would I change anything? I can't think of anything I would change. The relationship with Summit has been great, and right now I am tickled to death with the way things have went.